Mă scuzați, o mică pauză. Hi everyone, my name is Marilyn. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're having a makeup in our menu. This type of makeup is going on YouTube for a while now, but I decided to do it today since I didn't have time to do it, but I planned to do it. And this makeup is Foxy Eyes, you know, the one that is like, oops, the eyes are going somewhere. It is similar with the cat eyes, but the new name, it's Foxy Eyes. I don't know. Yeah. You know, a lot of celebrity did even surgeries, so in order for the eyes to be lifted, or that part of the eyebrow to be lifted, I don't like surgeries, therefore I think it is better to do it with makeup. Therefore I suggest to stop talking and to start doing it. Let's go! First thing that you have to keep in mind when you're doing these foxy eyes, in order to have this lift effect, one thing to do it is just to pull your hair upward. It creates a lift effect and it's more highlighted. You know, I did already kind of ponytail, therefore my eyes are look a little bit lifted, even if my hairstyle looks messy and ugly, but yeah, you've got the idea, right? As other normals makeup, the first step that we're gonna do is wipe our face with a piece of cotton and micellar water. After we did wiped our face with micellar water, we have to wait till our face is dried. After our face is dry, we have to moisturize it, and I'm moisturizing my face with Lancome, which is a Benefit Multivital cream, and it also have SPF in order not to burn your face. It's a sun protection cream. And again, after we apply the moisturizer, we have to let our face to absorb the cream. We also have to hydrate our lips, and for this I'm using Yoss, which is I think coconut and vanilla, if I'm not wrong. I think I'm wrong, I don't remember what essence is this, but it's from Yoss. After our face absorbs the cream, we have to apply foundation, and for the foundation I'm applying Catrice HD liquid coverage and even True Color, and this one is from Flawless collection. I'm mixing these two together because this tone is too dark for me and this one is too white for me. Therefore, combining them both, I get the color of my skin. I'm applying the foundation with Nostel brush number 360. The next step that we can do, but it's not mandatory, is to apply concealer under your eyes. I mean, this step is for people that do have those bags under the eyes, or the purpleness or redness under the eyes. I don't think I really need it because I don't really have those bags under my eyes. And the secret not to have those bags under your eyes is to go to bed earlier, even if it sounds crazy, you know, because a lot of people don't understand that going to sleep earlier actually influence your life and it reflects on your body. Yes, it's not in every case, because some people do have those bags because of illness, do have some other problems in their body. So yeah, applying this. Another secret is not to apply too much. I'm taking with the same brush, even if it's a little bit too big for it, but anyway. One of my favorite steps is to contour your face, and I'm doing this with the help of Imagination palette from Revolution. I really do love this palette because it's a compact palette, as you can see, and you can see I use it a lot. So usually I do mix colors, and I usually mix this one with, if I want it to be darker, I mix it with this one, which is literally plus Warrior. But if I want it to be a little bit lighter, then I'm using Warrior with Coyote. And I'm applying the bronzer with Lancome number 6 brush. I'm using the powder from Avon. This is CC powder from color is light medium from Flawless collection, and for the powder I'm using the brush Lancome number 1. After applying the powder, we can move on to the brows. I'm using pomade, and my pomade is Mark pomade. It's from Avon as well, and the color is deep brown. Now when your eyebrows are done and you're satisfied with them, but you think that there are some elements or some details that you want to correct, then you can do it with concealer, or you can do it with a foundation that is a little bit more consistent. And I'm using the Flawless, the one that I've mixed with Catrice. I think it do have a consistent, and therefore it's a good one. I'm using a non-natural brush in order to correct it. Next thing that we have to do is to apply a base on our eye. And I'm using the same foundation that I've corrected my eyebrows with and that I use for my foundation to cover my face as well. And I'm just applying it on my eyelid and try to blend it as well. Now when we're done with applying the base on our eyes, we have to fix our brows as well, because I applied foundation on the brows and we have to fix that thing. Therefore, I'm taking a brush and I'm gonna take the Pretty Heart shadow from Revolution Imagination palette, and I'm just applying it under my eyebrow just to highlight a little bit and to set the foundation that I applied sooner. We have to work with a lot of neutral colors. Therefore, I'm using the same color that I've used for my contouring, and it's Coyote color. And I'm taking a small brush. This brush is from Lancome number 12. And I'm just applying it on my lid. But I'm extending it to my eyebrow in that direction. Next color, I'm gonna go with Warrior. Same movements. The thing about this is that you don't have to have a straight line. It has to be really blended. Therefore, don't take too much color and take your time by working on it. Now we're taking a darker color, and it's literally, and I'm continuing doing it by applying it on my eyelashes line and the darkest color. Now I see that my eyes are too dark, therefore I need color that is more pigmented. I need a darker color, therefore I'm gonna use the Busted color from Naked 2 Urban Decay palette with the smaller brush. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm applying the light color here. And the last thing is to apply a liner, and this one is from Essence and it's just a simple pen, so yeah. As you can see, I didn't finish the eyeliner because I'm taking black eyeshadow in order to continue to make it smoother. Therefore, I'm taking a small brush and continue doing it. Now on the bottom line of the eye, I'm gonna continue with the black pencil. Now with the small brush, I'm gonna take brown color, and I'm gonna take this one, and I'm just gonna go a little bit on my bottom eyelid. Next thing that we're gonna do is put on some mascara. The top secret when we're doing Foxy Eyes Makeup is the lashes, and I suggest you to take this type of lashes, not just the band but the single ones, because with this you can create that longer eyes and it's just gonna give you the effect that you want. As you can see guys, one eye is ready. I don't know how to... It takes a lot of time to do it since you're doing it on your own, but trust me, the result is gonna be beautiful. After 1 hour or something, I finished with my eyelashes. Here is the result. I will put some mascara on, just a little bit, in order to make them a little bit more puffy. For the lips, I'm gonna use a Golden Rose from collection Soft and Matte. It's a creamy lip color, and this one is 106 number. Our lips are done, our makeup is done, therefore we are done. We can go now everywhere we want. So guys, that was the Foxy Eye makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget about like, subscribe, commenting, and stay healthy. Bye!